In this energy clearing session, we're going to be working on relationship blocks and negative patterns, so stay tuned. Hi, it's Robin from Vibration Elevation, and today's clearing is to help release some negative patterns and what I call relationship blocks from your field. So if you know what they are, great. If you don't, just keep the relationship that you're working on, and it could be the relationship with yourself. It doesn't have to be anybody outside of you. It can be, could be a family member, it could be a parent, a child, anybody, a romantic relationship. So, whatever it is, hold the relationship in mind as we do the clearing and just think of the relationship. And you don't really have to do much else. You can have your eyes opened or closed. You really don't have to do much. We're going to be releasing the energy that's trapped in your energetic field and subconscious mind that is holding these blocks in place. So let's just get on with it and do the clearing. Okay, so that's all done. And as you go through your day, and depending on who the relationship block was working on, or who you were working with, or what blocks you were working on, just notice if you see anything different. And this could be simply as you're not triggered, or you don't really care when something happens, or you're not worried about something. It can be very subtle, but awareness is important. So just pay attention and just see if you notice anything. And if you do, come back and do this with another relationship. If you don't, maybe do it with the relationship again, maybe with a different scenario or a different intention. Okay. So I think I've mentioned a couple, clearings ago that we have a free membership site now on vibrationelevation.com, and you can get to it. You can just ask to join, and you'll get in. On the homepage, you'll see a link to log in, and I will also leave a link here in the description box. All right. So hope this helps. hope I see you over there. And thank you for watching, for listening, and see you in the next one.